Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 79 Vimy Road. This is a spacious 2-bedroom mid-terrace property which has off-road parking here to the front and a lovely large garden to the rear. Okay, and then moving into the property, we've got the vestibule with stairs going up to the first floor. And then through to the main reception room. Nice size room here, also having a built-in understairs storage pantry and a bay window towards the front of the house. And through to the dining kitchen. Where we have a door going out into the garden, and then the kitchen including an integrated cooker and gas hob. Okay, then moving up onto the first floor, we've got the landing area with a loft access point just here, which does have a folding ladder, and then through to the main bedroom here at the front of the property. Which is a particularly good size, going across the full width of the house. And then into bedroom 2, where we have a cupboard here housing the gas boiler. And also an aspect to the rear across the garden. And into the bathroom, where we have toilet, wash basin, a panelled bath, and we also have a walk-in, fully tiled shower just here in the corner. Okay, and then just moving outside into the rear garden. It really is a good size. Have a gravelled seating area here, and there's gated access at the side, shared with next door, which leads back out to the front of the house. And then a step down to the main garden, which has a lawned area with hedged boundaries, to a further, more natural space here, which really does go quite a long way down to the rear fence. And that concludes the online viewing for the house. If you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then do give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.